Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. It's been a long time since I uploaded a video, so let's start with something useful. Affinity on Linux. At first, let's see how it performs. You all saw that, right? It actually works and it feels very close to native. First, download the Affinity installer from GitHub. The link is in the description. I recommend you to do exactly what I do in this video. I already have that file in my downloads, so I'm not going to do it again. Next, we need to install a couple of dependencies. If you are on Arch Linux, install Fuse2 and Zenity. For other Linux distributions, you'll need to install the equivalent packages manually, depending on your distros. Once that's done, open a terminal and change directory to where the GitHub file was downloaded. Now, make the AppImage executable using the command. Don't worry, I'll give it in the description. After that, just run the AppImage and Affinity should launch. You might see a DPI option when it starts. The default DPI is 96, which works fine for most screens, so I'm leaving it as it is. Now again run the command. And voila! The Affinity works. It works just like Windows. Literally, I'm not saying it's better, but it's doing its job. Now an important note guys, go to settings and in performance tab, make sure you see your GPU here. If it's visible, you're fine, and if it's not, that means Affinity is not detecting your drivers correctly. So I'll suggest that you go through other wikis and YouTube videos. There are multiple videos regarding how to install graphics drivers. At last, we come to the outro section of the video. So yeah, that's how you can install Affinity on Linux. It works surprisingly well and feels very close to native. If this video helped you out, a like would be a lot. Subscribe if you're interested in more Linux content like this. Peace out.